Tired of competing with other buyers and want to snag a deal on a property before everyone else does? Today, I'm going to show you how to find for sale by owner, or FSBO, phone numbers right on Trulia, potentially giving you access to properties you won't find anywhere else. First, head over to Trulia.com in the search bar. Enter the city or area where you're looking to buy a property. For example, let's search for Austin, Texas. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on the filters button, scroll down until you see the listing type section. This is crucial. Select the buy owner option and apply the filters. Trulia doesn't directly display phone numbers on all FSBO listings. So now we need to get a little creative. Start clicking through the listings. Pay very close attention to the property description. Many FSBO sellers will include their phone number directly within the text. Look for phrases like call me at or contact owner at. If you don't find a number directly on the listing, try this little trick. Copy the property address, then go to Google and type Trulia.com followed by the address and then phone number. This will search specifically within Trulia for that address and the words phone number, often leading you directly to the seller's contact information that might be hidden elsewhere on the site or even another related web page. And that's it. Using these simple steps, you can uncover FSBO phone numbers on Trulia, putting you in direct contact with sellers and potentially landing you a fantastic real estate deal without the agent frenzy. Good luck and happy house hunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.